Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for June 18th to the 30th. The period June 18th to the 22nd is forecast consists of a subtropical ridge across the southeast. We also have a ridge in the west. Positive height anomalies near the Aleutians in Alaska, and we have a zone of flow generally predicted across the northern U.S. And then we're going to go through the days. You see very little change. Just the height anomalies weakening across Alaska, and we're at the 22nd now, and the models are in fair agreement or in very good agreement with this pattern. During this forecast period, tropical development is forecast in the Gulf of Mexico, and this could either happen later on tonight or early tomorrow. The National Hurricane Center gives it a 90% chance of development. The system is forecast to move through northeast Texas before turning northeastward through the mid-Mississippi Valley and then into the mid-Atlantic, bringing more rain to areas that receive heavy rainfall this week, yesterday and today. Moisture will continue to feed inland around the western periphery of the southeast ridge. Moisture will feed the middle of Mississippi Valley, resulting in heavy rainfall. Heat and humidity is forecast across the southeast with anomalies of 10 to 15 degrees above normal. Elsewhere across the nation, temperatures are forecast to be 10 to 15 degrees elsewhere in the east, and the center of the nation is forecast to have temperatures averaging at least 5 degrees below normal. We're going to look now at the period for June 21st to the 25th. Here we are at the 21st. We'll go to the 23rd. Here we are at the 23rd. We still have our subtropical ridge and a ridge here, generally above normal heights across much of the nation. Our positive height anomalies are still there, but are weaker than they have been over Alaska. And we're going to go now to the 25th, and we see very little change in the overall circulation. One thing to note, we're going to take a look at the European. The European, this is for the 25th, is forecasting a trough here below normal heights over the northeast and a little bit over the northern plains. And the NavGem, if it loads. Okay, the NavGem, we're going to look at the 500 millibar height anomalies. And they're not loading. But the NavGem forecasts a trough over the northwest and the northeast. And we're going to look at the temperature anomalies now for this period. Most of the nation is forecast to have, most of the models depict above normal temperatures for the west and the east, with below normal temperatures in the center of the nation. And you're going to look here. See below normal heights, and also for the northeast. The GFS depicts below normal temperatures for portions of the northwest and the Great Lakes into the mid-Atlantic and northeast. So we're going to go to the NavGem again. We're going to see if it loads at all. I'm sorry, the GFS is forecasting that Having trouble with the site loading, but the GFS depicts below normal temperatures for portions of the Northwest, Great Lakes, and the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. Above normal temperatures are forecast for the West and most of the East. And the anomalies of 10 to 20 degrees above normal are forecast for portions of the East. And below normal temperatures forecast for the northern plains in New England, as you see on this map, with anomalies of 10 degrees below normal for precipitation. I am forecasting below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation for this region. Now for the period for June 26th to the 30th. Here we are the 26th, and most of the models are forecasting a zone of flow with above normal heights across much of the nation. We're going to take a look at the climate forecast system. This site is just not loading. But the climate forecast system forecasts near normal heights across much of the nation, except for the southeast and portion of the Mid-Atlantic where above normal heights are forecast. We're going to look at the temperature anomalies. During this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal heights across much of the nation, like I said, and the anomalies are forecast to be about 10 degrees above normal, and the NAEFS depicts below normal temperatures in the plains. Pretty much what like this one is forecasting. So, and for precipitation, I am forecasting below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation for this region. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for June 18th to the 30th. Thank you for coming to Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.